Hey everyone, welcome back. Have you ever imagined a day where you make more money from your investments overnight than you do from your full-time job in an entire week? Sounds crazy, right? But for many, including myself, this isn't just a dream, it's a reality. Today, we are diving deep into the incredible power of long-term investing and why shifting your mindset is the ultimate game changer for building real wealth. Let me share a quick story. I started out making a humble $7.5 an hour at Einstein Bagels. Fast forward to today, and there have been days where my stock portfolio has gained over $80,000 in just one single day. Seriously, my public stock portfolio, which was around $159,000 back in 2018, rocketed to $1.7 million just a year ago, and now it's sitting at nearly $3.1 million. This isn't some magic trick or lottery win. This growth is the result of years of consistent hard work, making smart decisions, and learning to navigate the ups and downs of the market. It's about being patient and playing the long game. And here's the best part, you don't need a huge lump sum to start. My initial investment was a modest $250. With the rise of commission-free trading and fractional shares, it's easier than ever to get started, even with small amounts. What truly transforms those small beginnings into significant wealth? It's compounding. Understanding and using a compounding calculator can fundamentally change how you view investing. It shifts your focus from immediate, small gains to substantial, long-term wealth accumulation. It's truly amazing what consistent, small contributions can achieve over time. Now let's talk about the mindset. Successful investors and business leaders think years, even decades, into the future. Adopting this long-term perspective is absolutely crucial. Forget about what others are doing. Your real competition is yourself. Focus on becoming the best version of you, financially and personally. A positive outlook and unwavering belief in your ability to hit your financial targets are non-negotiable. I've heard heartbreaking stories from older individuals who wish they had started investing earlier. Don't let that be you. Take action now. As Jeff Bezos famously said, thinking small is a self-fulfilling prophecy. So, aim high, think big. So what can you do? Start by consistently investing. I recommend aiming for at least $150 per week. If that sounds like a stretch, take a look at your income and expenses and see where you can make adjustments. I even have a Patreon portfolio that started with just $150 a week and is now nearly $32,000, proving that even consistent, smaller investments can grow significantly. Now let's shift gears and discuss 3 stocks I think are fantastic options for long-term investors like us. Alright, so the first stock on my list is AMD. This company is a heavyweight in the chip industry. They're not just surviving, they're thriving. Why do I love them? AMD is at the forefront of the major tech shifts we're seeing right now, especially in areas like gaming and data centers. These are sectors with massive potential for growth. Imagine owning a piece of a company that's driving the future of technology. That's the kind of opportunity AMD presents. I'm constantly adding to my main portfolio because I'm confident in their long-term vision. So if you're looking for a solid, forward-thinking tech giant, AMD is definitely worth considering. Next up, we have Meta, the brainchild of Mark Zuckerberg. Now, you might be familiar with their flagship product, Facebook, but Meta owns a bunch of other popular platforms like Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger. They're also heavy hitters in the world of virtual reality with Oculus. Here's why I'm bullish on Meta. They're at the forefront of cutting-edge technologies like artificial intelligence. Just recently, they open-sourced their large language model called Llama, which is a game-changer in the AI world. Think about it. AI is everywhere these days, from chatbots to content creation. And Meta is right in the thick of it. They're not resting on their laurels. They're constantly pushing boundaries. Plus, despite their impressive growth, they still present a good buying opportunity. Even though they've seen some dips in the market, I believe it's just a matter of time before they bounce back. I've been adding to both my main portfolio and my Patreon portfolio. And if you're interested in long-term growth and the potential of AI, Meta is a company you should definitely keep an eye on. And last but certainly not least, we have Nike. Now, when it comes to apparel and footwear, Nike is a name that resonates with quality, style, and success. It's more than just a brand. It's a cultural icon. Here's why I'm a fan. Nike has managed to stay relevant and desirable for decades. They understand their audience. They know what makes their customers tick, and they consistently deliver products that people want. The recent dip in their stock price has presented a unique opportunity for long-term investors like us. Although it's uncertain how low the stock might go, it's a buy and hold forever kind of stock. I have been steadily adding to my main portfolio because I am betting on their long-term resilience and growth. If you're looking for stability and a brand that speaks for itself, Nike is a great option. In fact, I believe it's one of those companies that should be in every investor's portfolio. And that's a wrap on today's video. I hope you enjoyed this journey through the world of long-term investing. Remember, it's not about luck or timing. It's about patience, strategy, and staying focused on the big picture. If you're thinking, I wish I started earlier, know that it's never too late. Take that first step and set your financial future in motion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next one.